Hello, welcome to today's daily message. As you know, I've been talking about the wintry aspects of the spiritual life throughout this week. And there's one other aspect of winter that I want to discuss today. It seems so often that during the winter season, everything seems to lack color. The only color that seems to stand out throughout winter is gray. The sky is gray. The snow on the ground as it melts gets dirty. And so how often do we think that we can just hardly wait until winter is over and the colors of spring come back into view? We know, too, that our spiritual life at times can feel colorless. And so we pray and nothing happens. Or we read the scriptures and we've heard it all before. Or we meditate, think about God, and we come up blank. And even with the people in our lives, we seem to just kind of go through the motions. I suggest that one way to regain some of the color of the spiritual life is through humor. We all know that there are moments in life that are just crazy. We know that there are times and moments in our lives that are just silly. How often, if you're serious, have you laughed at some of the goofy faces that I make in these videos? And so there are moments of humor in all of our lives, and I suggest that one of the ways to bring back the color to our lives, even our spiritual life, is through finding the humor, even in the midst of the blandness and the midst of the craziness of life. You probably know of other ways to restore the color to your spiritual life, and I invite you to think about those as well. Thank you for joining us throughout this week, and hope everyone has a safe and a great weekend. Thank you for watching.